icon in the ring and on the microphone.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Glasgow, Scotland, weighing in at 230 pounds, Roddy Piper!
A dangerous man in the ring or on the mic.
Knows how to get under people's skin, opponents and fans alike.
I'm not sure anyone is better at running their mouth and backing it up in the ring.
You're right about that, Saxton. Piper's had trash thrown at him in the ring. He's been stabbed in public. I don't believe there's anybody tougher in the business.
Hulkamaniacs secretly like the hot rod. I know you did, Byron.
I admit it. I had a soft spot for Roddy Piper.
It's George the Animal Steele.
Be careful, this arena is about to turn into a disaster area.
And his opponent from Detroit, Michigan, weighing in at 275 pounds, George
the green tongue, the hairy chest. There is only one George the Animal Steele.
The Animal is about to make a meal of his opponent. And the turnbuckles, too.
No, don't encourage this woolly mammoth, you imbecile. Of course you'd condone this.
This is all the makings of a classic brawl with Roddy Piper.
A man whose sharp blows are only outmatched by his even sharper tongue. Piper starts each match before the bell even rings. A professional feather ruffler if we've ever seen one.
Yeah, I expect Piper.
Oh, nice. Schoolboy from behind.
Cover!
And fends off the pinfall.
He thought he could get this thing finished fast. Locking up with the collar and elbow.
Just saying, get away from me.
Powerbomb position. But right hands create separation and an escape.
Counters with an attack on Piper.
Ow! Right in the mouth, relentless.
Right to the face.
Uh-oh, this is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied. Escape and a takedown.
Taking out the arm, great strategy.
Got out of the way that time.
In your mind, Corey, what's the best strategy against a savage competitor like George the Animal Steele?
You can't show the animal.
From way up. Double axe handle.
He can do it here.
And they kick out at two.
He thought he had it.
Vicious right forearm.
He avoids the contact.
Clothesline! Oh, an eye rake.
That's not right, but effective. Brutal knee strike.
Oh, what a response.
Going right after the arm. Armbar locked in. Oh, their opponent able to break out. And Steele is one step quicker.
Across the ring. Now down into the cover. And he powers out.
Close call. That was almost lights out.
Sleeper hold cinched in deep.
Fading. Fading.
Expertly executed hold right on the neck.
And breaks out of the sleeper.
Hold on. Is he thinking of a submission here?
Twisting their left arm into a hammerlock.
The focused attack on.
Able to punch his way out. Arm ringer. Their opponent in a compromising position, but Now starts to fight out with some punches to the gut.
Headbutt to the back of the neck. He is looking to do some serious harm.
Vicious right forearm.
Roddy Piper able to adapt. One step ahead there.
Elbow thrown to break up the maneuver.
This is bad. Hot Rod is bleeding. My goodness, caught down. Freakazoid? Going right after the arm of their opponent, applying the arm bar. Nice takedown. Punishing. Has the arm wringer.
And met with a right hand. Countering each other again and again.
What an interception.
Into a dragon screw leg whip. Piper might have something big on tap.
Sleeper hold cinched in deep.
Fading, fading.
It's hooked in deep. Couldn't fight the pain any longer. Has to tap.
Here is your winner, Roddy Piper!
George Steele looking tamed after that loss.
Piper has no quit in him tonight.
Hard to beat a rowdy Roddy.